Best Car Cleaning Gel efficiently removes dust from hard-to-reach areas, protecting surfaces and keeping your vehicle spotless and hygienic. My today's video is about top 5 best car cleaning gel review that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Polidiki Car Cleaning Gel. The Polidiki Car Cleaning Gel is a game changer for maintaining a spotless vehicle interior. This reusable cleaning putty is expertly designed to reach hard-to-access areas such as air vents, steering wheels, dashboards, cup holders, and console panels. Using it is simple. Just press on dusty surfaces and lift. The gel effortlessly captures dust without leaving residue or sticking to your hands. Made from high-quality, lightly fragrant putty, it's gentle on surfaces yet highly effective. Its reusable nature ensures long-term use. Store in a cool place after each session and replace only when it turns black. Beyond cars, this versatile gel cleans keyboards, home gadgets, and other water-resistant surfaces. Compact and fun, it also makes a perfect stocking stuffer or gift for adults, teens, and car enthusiasts alike. Polidiki Car Cleaning Gel combines convenience, efficiency, and safety, offering a smart solution for keeping your car interior and even your workspace immaculate. Now our second product is Ti-Carve 2-Pack Cleaning Gel. The Ti-Carve 2-Pack Car Cleaning Gel is an essential tool for keeping your car interior immaculate. Designed to reach every nook and cranny, this gel effortlessly cleans air vents, steering wheels, dashboards, cup holders, storage bins, and door handles, removing dust and debris from areas traditional vacuums can't reach. Using it is simple. Knead the gel with dry hands, press on dusty surfaces, and lift. The gel captures dirt instantly without leaving any residue or sticking to your hands. Its reusable design allows multiple uses until the gel darkens, and it should be stored in a cool place after use. Crafted from high-tech material, the gel comes in blue with a lavender scent and purple with a magnolia fragrance, adding a subtle freshness to cleaning. Beyond cars, it's perfect for home and office surfaces like keyboards, printers, remote controls, and cell phones. Any smooth, water-resistant surface. Ti-Carve Car Cleaning Gel combines efficiency, versatility, and convenience, making it a must-have for both vehicle and everyday cleaning needs. Our third product is Gunk Getter 12-Pack Cleaning Gel. The Gunk Getter 12-Pack Car Cleaning Gel is the ultimate solution for keeping your car interior spotless. This innovative gel effortlessly reaches hard-to-clean areas like air vents, cup holders, steering wheels, dashboards, and door handles, removing dust, crumbs, and debris that traditional cleaning tools often miss. Its soft, pliable texture adapts to every surface, making detailing fast, easy, and satisfying. Using it is simple. Press the gel on cracks, crevices, or flat surfaces, lift, and watch dirt cling instantly. Unlike other gels, Gunk Getter is lightly scented, leaving your car smelling fresh while remaining gentle on surfaces without scratches or residue. Reusable and eco-conscious, it lasts until it darkens, providing multiple cleaning sessions with professional-grade results. Beyond cars, it's perfect for home or office use. Keyboards, laptops, remotes, calculators, and other water-resistant surfaces are all dust-free in seconds. Compact, practical, and versatile, this 12-pack makes an excellent gift for car enthusiasts, tech lovers, or anyone who appreciates clever, functional cleaning tools. Now on number 4, Nitkazunk Windshield Cleaner Tool. The 14-piece all-in-one car interior detailing kit is a complete solution for keeping your vehicle immaculate. Designed for professional-grade cleaning at home, this kit includes an extendable windshield cleaner with 180-degree swivel head, reusable microfiber pads, precision detailing brushes in 3 sizes, a dash duster, air vent, and dual head vent brushes, high-quality cleaning gel, microfiber towel, spray bottle, and a durable storage bag, covering every corner of your car interior. The premium windshield tool effortlessly removes dust, dirt, and oil film from glass surfaces, delivering free clarity. Precision brushes and deep cleaning gel tackle cup holders, air vents, buttons, and textured surfaces without scratching, while microfiber pads are washable for eco-friendly use. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, even during extended cleaning sessions, and a waterproof storage bag keeps all tools organized. Perfect for daily cleaning, seasonal detailing, or post-road trip refreshes, this kit also makes an excellent gift for car enthusiasts, offering convenience, efficiency, and professional results for any vehicle owner. And our last choice is Gunk Getter Cleaning Gel. The Gunk Getter 12-pack car cleaning gel is a must-have for maintaining a pristine vehicle interior. This innovative gel excels at removing dust, crumbs, and debris from hard-to-reach areas like air vents, cup holders, dashboards, steering wheels, and console panels, making car detailing effortless. Its pliable texture adapts to every surface, picking up dirt without leaving residue or scratches, while the lightly scented formula adds a pleasant freshness. Using the gel is simple. Press it into crevices, lift, and watch debris cling instantly. Reusable and eco-conscious, each pack lasts until the gel darkens, delivering multiple cleaning sessions. Beyond cars, it's perfect for home and office, effectively cleaning keyboards, laptops, remotes, calculators, and other water-resistant surfaces. Compact, versatile, and practical, the 12-pack is also an excellent gift for car enthusiasts, tech lovers, or anyone who appreciates clever cleaning tools. From Christmas stocking stuffers to birthday surprises, Gunk Getter combines efficiency, convenience, and fun for everyday cleaning needs. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.